Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about how we are going to make our car monsoon ready. What are the care that has to be taken of your car, and by the end of the video I am going to tell you one very important tip which is not going to cost you much, but if not taken care then it might take a life. So watch the video till end, and if you like the video, definitely share and subscribe it for watching more videos like this. For now, let's begin the video. Let's go to the car. Now that we are in the car, the very first important thing is your wipers. Make sure your wipers are working fine. Get them checked or replaced, because it's my personal opinion that wipers are supposed to be changed. It doesn't harm changing wipers before monsoon, because throughout the year your wipers have gone through a lot of heat, cold temperatures, higher temperatures, a lot of dust on it, and the rubber on it doesn't function properly as they're supposed to when it comes to monsoon. So before monsoon, make sure you change your set of wipers. It costs normally around 300-400 rupees, so make sure you change them before monsoon. I'll show you the functioning of the wipers. See, now if the wipers are cleaning all the space and not leaving a spot, then your wipers are fine. But if your wipers are leaving spots somewhere here in the functioning area, then make sure your wipers needs to be changed. And as I said, changing wipers once in a year are not going to cost you much, so make sure you change your wipers every before monsoon to make your car monsoon ready. After wipers, I think get your batteries and your alternators checked, because alternator, understand one thing, alternator is something that charges the battery and battery is something that holds a charge in it. So these both things works hand in hand. Both has to be functional in order to keep the battery working all the time. So get those both things checked. Your wiring harness, get it checked from your electrician, the complete wiring harness. Also get your headlights, your side indicators and your tail lights. Make sure all these three things are working, because your side indicators, blinkers, we also call it blinkers, these are very important in monsoon, because in times it happens that your headlight is turned on but it is not visible to the person who's driving from the front end because of a lot of rain and less visibility. Similarly at the back side as well. So in that time, blinkers plays a very important role. They blinks and they are very informative. In spite of low visibilities, blinkers are visible, so make sure your blinkers are working fine. Then comes to the tires. Tires, make sure if there is a replacement needed, then replace your tires. This is the right time. Pre-monsoon is the time when your tires are supposed to be replaced. Now clear indications of replacing the tires is, very first thing is frequent punctures. If your tires are giving you frequent punctures, then make sure it is the time that you need to change your tires. Also, if you are using even after that, then keep a regular check on the tires. And if you find that if those are nylon tires, then you will find the nylon threads. If those are visible to your eyes, again it is a clear indication that you need to change your tires. And if those are radial tires, then you get a copper, you can see the copper wiring throughout the tire. And if those are visible to your eyes, then make sure it is the time that you need to change your tires, and definitely before monsoon get those things done. Then your brake pads, make sure you change your brake pads if they are needed to. If you feel that your brakes are not applying properly, get them checked. Get your brake pads checked, and if necessary, make sure you change your brake pads. See, I personally feel that there is supposed to be no compromise over safety. Now let us consider that your vehicle has a dent somewhere and it is rusting. So now monsoon has begun. Now the rust area will increase, because water has been always, it is always going to become in contact and water. So don't think about it. It is not a safety precautionary measure. You can get it done even after monsoon as well. But right now, Safety is very important in monsoon. Make sure you never compromise over safety, so get these things checked. Also, to the people who are owning car which is more than 5 years old, you make sure you definitely don't avoid these pointers. See, I have bought this battery jumpers for myself. Now these battery jumpers, in case if my car gets stuck somewhere because of my battery which stops working, then I can get help from some ongoing car, and I can jump start my car and take it to the nearby garage or my destination, wherever I want to go, and get that things rectified or replaced, whatever is necessary. So make sure you get that thing done. And also I'll suggest you that as monsoon has begun, make sure you keep a small bottle of water, or you can keep a bigger bottle as well, a packet of biscuit in your car, a raincoat, a towel and an umbrella in your car, because you anytime can get in contact with rain, and just in case, towel is always helpful. Umbrella and raincoat of course is helpful as well. And also, as I said, get your rear spare wheel which is inside, get it checked. Inflate the tire if there is no air or less air, or if it is puncture, get it done, because it is going to help you very much. Also keep a bottle of WD-40 in your car, because due to rain your tire nuts might have rusted. So once you spray WD-40 and keep it for 5-10 minutes, those will be relaxed and you can open it easily. Also check your jacks are working fine or not. If you're using hydraulic jacks, then make sure those hydraulics are working fine. If you have the manual jacks, then make sure you grease them, so that while using those jacks, it is easier for you to lift the vehicle while changing the tires. Then comes to the air con system of your car. Make sure your AC is checked and is working fine. Make sure you get your AC disinfectant from a professional for your car, because over the period of time it happens that there fungal growth occurs, and it's better you get it cleansed by a professional. And as I said, AC, then AC plays a very important role when it comes to monsoon, because what happens is, when I'm sitting in the car, my breath is constantly creating a humidity in the car cabin, and that humidity, because of that humidity, fog starts accumulating on your side windows, on your windshield, which lessens the visibility. So AC plays a very important role in dehumidifying the atmosphere, the climate in your cabin. So make sure ACs are working fine. If not, then get those checked or get those repaired, because it is going to play a very important role in monsoon. Then comes to the very important part, which I said you in the previous first part of my video. I'm going to tell you one very important tip. See, always keep your personal toolkit with you, and in my personal toolkit, this is the very important thing which I'll ask you to keep in your car. See, I'm living in Mumbai. So in Mumbai there are several places where waterlogging occurs, and in times you have to take your car and you realize that your car is half sunk in water, and in times in such situations what happens is your car turns off, your battery stops working, your side windows, the motor of the side windows, the power windows, it stops because they are already sunk in water, and you're stuck in middle of that. So in that time, this small hammer can be a lifesaver for you. You just can break your window and get out of the car. See, there are many incidents that has happened in Mumbai, that because of waterlogging, because they have stuck in water in the car, and deaths have occurred. So see, this small thing, it is going to be a lifesaver. Make sure you have this in your car, especially if your car is a power window car. You need to have this in your car. See, you can break the window and get out of the car. So these were the small pointers that can be taken care of for to make your car pre-monsoon. I'll be signing off for today, but before going, I tell you that make sure before going out of your house, use your mask, and after coming back home, wash your hands, but do not wash your responsibilities. Signing off from Mumbai. Thank you.